Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whenever you are. Good afternoon for me. I'm Frankly Cryptic. I'm going to bring you very exciting news today about ADA, Cardano, and about Bitcoin as well. By the website from Coinglass.com, ADA has been rising its volume right now 62%. And this is exciting, guys. This is really exciting for me, and it has made me smile today. So, are we waiting for an explosion right now? I don't know. I don't think it is going to happen so quick, but at least we can just check up the market, check up the liquidations, just to see the market structure as well, to see where are we going right now with Cardano and with Bitcoin as well, to see what is happening right now. So, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a crypto enthusiast. I'm an investor. I'm a really fan of ADA as well for a long time, for those who know me from a long time right now. And let's dig into it. Let's see what is going on right now. So as you can see, ADA has been rising its price from 0.30, which was on, I think, from the 5th of September, it is starting to rise, as well as Bitcoin. Right now I have Bitcoin here, and he has rising 80%. As you can see, ADA has rising almost the double, which is probably common because of the volatility that other crypto has. But it's amazing that they are following the price of Bitcoin. And doing the market structure right here, I use CryptoCap for those who didn't watch my last video. I like to use CryptoCap just to see where are we right now in the markets, what is going to happen next, depending on the market structure. And right now, what I can see is that we probably could have two options. Of course, we could be just visiting this zone right here and have a pressure of selling for all those institutional investors. And probably we're going to be hitting in these prices here again. So we're going to be buying, or at least I'm going to be buying if the prices comes down here again. Or we probably are going to be just going upstream for a bit, and the institutional investors are going to be selling to be reaching this downtrend. How are we going to know that? How are we going to try to guess where the price is going to be projecting to? Well, we must see where the liquidations are today, which are going to be looking at Cardano as well as Bitcoin. Right now, we have ADA USD from Binance, the liquidation heat map. I have it in 3 days. And as we can see, this price is just eating the liquidity here on the prices on 36 cents. We probably can see if the price is going to be testing a bit more higher. To be honest, probably we're going to be testing the 36 cents a bit more higher, probably 37. Let's see in a week. Let's see what's going to happen from a week from now. And let's see where the liquidity is at right now, so we can try to guess. Look at this. And when we have a strong liquidity of almost 2 million in the 32 cents. So I'm not expecting the price of ADA to rise right now. Probably the volume is going to keep rising. But also, I think this zone of consolidation right now in the graph is going to be continuing for a bit longer before we start to rise. Of course, we need to complete this. If we go to the market structure and we see it in 1 day, we can clearly see what is going on right now. We need to complete this movement. So probably we're going to be closing right here, which means that we probably are going to be the price of ADA raising until 42 cents or 40 cents. That could happen as well, depending on the liquidity. As I said, this could happen in a few days. If this is going to happen, it's not going to happen so quick. So if we see the liquidity of ADA in 1 month, what is this graphic telling us? Where this price could be projected? As you can see, there is a strong liquidity of 1 million in 37 cents. So at some stage, the price has to look for this liquidity. We have to go up to search this liquidity at some point. But for now, probably the price is going to be down to search for this liquidity to get a bit more stronger before we start to go up again. So if we check Bitcoin, just to see what happens with Bitcoin, I think with Bitcoin it's a bit different. To be honest. And I think this is what is going to lead us to reach new highs with Cardano if Bitcoin starts to react. And if we see in the next month about the liquidity, what is going to happen, where the liquidity is, I can see that there is more pressure to the price to rise, to the price to go up. And this is going to confirm me that we probably are going to see all the altcoins rising as well as with Bitcoin. So right now we could be having some earnings and some gains of 20% if the price decides to close the year. And yeah, to be honest, I think this could happen. Probably not even in 1 month for now. I think this could happen even in the next few days. Probably we're going to be testing this 74,000, depending if we click that liquidity. As I said, if we put a bit more of data just to see how much liquidity we have right now, then it is going to show us a few levels that we have to hit. And of course, we have to seek this liquidity right here at some stage. But for now, I think we're just going to stay for a bit in the 60,000, in the $58,000 as well with Bitcoin. So my advice would be don't rush anything. It's very good news about the volume that is raising in ADA. And I always knew it. ADA, it's an amazing project. It's one of my favorites as well, always been, since I started to invest in the cryptocurrency space. And right now I'm just making trades with Bitcoin apps. Also, I'm just made a couple of trades. Right here, I just made a 3x leverage and I had almost a 26%, which it was like 75% of gains that I did. I wasn't trading with a big amount, but I can see that it's a lot of gains. And it's really easy to see it's really easy to have this kind of gains if you follow the market structure and you follow the liquidity as well. I have a video that I uploaded yesterday where I explain how I like to use the liquidity in the markets. So if you haven't seen it yet, I recommend you to look into my channel and just to see it. In my description are the websites of Coinglass, where you can see where the liquidity is, and you can use this as well for your benefit. And like I advise you, there is a link for you to download TradingView. It's a free tool as well as these two indicators that I have right here, which I mentioned in the video yesterday. You can use them as well for free. So you don't have to pay a single cent to start to be reading the markets and trying to see what is going on right now. But for sure, we're going to be testing these zones at some stage. And to be honest, from here, it would be a gain of 21% again. So guys, this is what you have to do. You have to remain patient and you have to make your trades being secure, following the market structures and liquidity as well as the volume. I mean, I like to see this as well as the RSI, which the RSI helps me as well to see where we are in the market structure. I use it like for a map to see when is 100% sure for me to make the trades that are going to be 100% again. Okay, that is going to make me earn money and not to lose it, because I'm not using this just to bet or whatever. I'm just trying to make this my income. So I have to make only trades that are 100% certain for me, that are going to be projected to the levels where I want the price to be. So this is it. If we check Bitcoin on the weekly chart, it's not so bullish, because it is telling us with this shoulder head that probably we're going down in that another bear market is going to start. That's what people say, and that's what this chart is telling me, but I don't think so, because we are in an accumulation zone after the halving. So right now we are just waiting for this price to explode like everyone else. And this is going to happen, or are we going to test these zones here, this institutional zone, before we start to go down again? Either way, you can make money still whilst we are in this accumulation phase. So guys, I have a few more news for you today, which it's very exciting for me. The stablecoin with Sony Bank has just started. This is going to happen in a few months as well, but for sure, this is good news for the crypto ecosystem as well, because many legal regulations are going to come if this continues to be developed. So I mean, we all know that Sony is a big enterprise, and this is happening in Japan, guys. This is amazing. So as you can see, you have a graphics here about the Sony market cap and the market capitalization on the TSE. So this is in trillions. You can see that right now we're going in the rise, and the Sony market cap could be going a bit more down this as well with the Japan GDP. But well, this is good news for me, and I like to see good news in the cryptocurrency market, it seems that everyone that are starting to feel more attracted to what's happening in the markets right now. We have more news, more good news entering. UK introduces bill to clarify crypto's legal status. So this is what we need, the regulations. That's what we have been waiting for a long time now. Probably we're going to be entering into the regulations after the US elections happens. And either way, who wins? Even if any of those two candidates wins, I don't think it is going to affect much the price of crypto. I think after the halving, we're going to be having a rise. Probably if any government pro-crypto wins, of course, it is going to spike the price way quicker, but it doesn't matter who wins. Crypto is here to stay. I'm 100% convinced about it. So expect more analysis like this. This was a quick one because I really wanted you to share about this volume news that we have in ADA. And be stocked. Don't sell yet. Just try to make trades that are short for you. If you don't understand this about how I like to trade with the crypto cap and these two indicators, which for me, I think it's all I need right now. Just look the last video I uploaded, so you're going to understand everything. If you like this channel, remember just to subscribe. If you really like this video as well, just click on it. And I really appreciate that. It's going to help me a lot. This was Frankly Cryptic. I hope you enjoyed this short and quick video. Peace.